Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the following topic: how to fix your TikTok remove sound. If you're having trouble with fixing your TikTok remove sounds, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. Go ahead and open your TikTok account and then go to profile. Then go to your draft and click the video that TikTok removed your sound in. Then if TikTok has removed your sound in a certain video, you could simply go to add sound and then you could choose any sound that you want to choose, or you could also find the previous sound that you have had picked for the video but it got removed. But you can also find similar ones which can match your video, or you could choose any sound you want that you think is appropriate for that video. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.